Welcome to the restful forest. Find a comfortable position. Soften your gaze or close your eyes gently. Begin by noticing your breath as it naturally flows in and out of your body. Don't try to control it in any way. Simply observe it. Pay attention to the sensations of your breath. Where do you feel it the most strongly? In your chest? Your stomach? Your nostrils? As you continue to observe your breath, notice the subtle shifts in its rhythm and intensity. Sometimes it may be deep and slow. Other times it may be short and shallow. Allow your attention to gently follow each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Simply bring it back to the sensations of your breath. Continue to observe your breath for a few more moments, allowing yourself to sink deeper into the present moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the sense of calm and awareness with you.